Today we have Humaira Malik. She is a very dear friend to me and she has just joined Leo's Development. I have a couple of questions. So let's start with the first one. Why Leo's?
Thank you so much, Anand, for inviting me for this podcast. And I'm very excited to be a part of this. Why Leo's coming back to that question? That's a very interesting question to start with, though. So, Leo Development has been in this industry for more than 12 plus years. And we are very well known in foreign countries like UK. We are basically a UK based developer. We also have our mark in China. We also have our mark in New Zealand. And now we are trying to put a mark in Dubai.
Very well, Humaira. I think Leo's will have a mark in UAE as well. And starting from Dubai, I think this is a Dubai-based developer, as I've heard. What other developments they have done in the past, and what are the upcoming developments they are doing?
So we've stepped in Dubai in 2022, and in 2023 we started to be known to a lot of agencies and a lot of people and investors in this market. So as we have already stepped in 2025, we've already submitted one of the projects from Leo's development within this time span of 2 to 3 years. Now we're going to be submit another project. We are on the urge of delivery within next month, inshallah. So that's called Headley Heights 1. That's in JBC. And we are coming up with more new projects in various strategic locations. So which could be very friendly with our investors and buyers for their investments.
What makes Leo's development so special? Okay, that we as an agent should sell Leo's apart from your competitors, of course. Why? Like basically, why we should go for Leo's instead of a lot of developers in the market?
Lovely. So, as I've been in this market for a quite while now, I'm pretty sure you're aware. So, and I have definitely worked with some of the top other developers as well. And as your first question, why did I choose Leo's development to be my next place to be at? It's because of these strategic locations. Every investor, every end buyer wants to be in a place where their property appreciation is definitely going to go up, which is very important, I believe, as an investors and an end user. The location. Then we come with the quality, the kind of quality the developers provide us. I'm pretty sure you and I have been working since quite a while, and you know the developers I have worked with so far. And now when you come to Leos and see the quality comparing the developers I've worked with to the developer I am in right now, you will know why I chose this developer.
So basically, so to cut you, basically you're saying location in terms of the area itself, or it is near to metros, or it is near to any big names like Burj Khalifa or whatever. Like
I would say both.
how do you say like location? What is location?
I would say both. So when we talk about the strategic location where the future of Dubai is going to be,
Correct.
okay, and after that, when I say the second part of location is the kind of community you're going to be living in.
Okay.
So we are also coming up with communities as well as we are tapping the strategic locations where the future of Dubai is going to be. Let's say the metro station nearby our projects. We have the accessibility to different routes towards our project. The main highways of Dubai or UAE I can mention is connecting our projects. So there are multiple things. Plus, compare the community that we are building in. As I've been mentioning about a very special thing that we have for our investors and end buyers is the membership card. So the
Yeah, I
membership.
really want to know.
Yeah.
So that was like my next question.
Yeah.
We were discussing about this membership card that, if you buy something in Leo's development, any of the project, you have this membership card. Like, yeah, what is this?
Yeah.
This is very fascinating. I want to know about it.
So once you are a family member of Leo's, once you buy the project with us, whether as an investor or an end buyer, we serve you with a membership card. So that membership card is accessible for you to any of the Leo's project.
Wow.
Whether it be in Dubai, whether it be in UK, let's say you're going for a trip to UK or China or New Zealand or maybe inshallah wherever we come in future, and you know that there is a Leo project there available, you can get into that amenities just with that membership card. But like as you've bought it in Dubai, we have personal trainers for all the amenities. So
Wow.
for you don't have to go to gym and pay a particular
And
amount to
that's
your
free,
trainer.
like for free for
Exactly.
all your family. Basically.
Exactly. So everybody who holds that membership, You don't have to hire a personal trainer, you don't have to hire a personal swimmer, swim trainer, or karate teacher, or dance teacher, or Zumba teacher. You have it all within that membership for free. And that's for
Wow.
lifetime. So, and when you take the trip to any of the country where Leo Development has their mark, you can utilize that membership there as well.
That's a very interesting point.
Yes. So we make it as a family member to you guys.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
But I think the most important part when a developer steps in is not only the strategic location and the gifts. I would consider this membership as a sign of gift and a warm welcome to our family, but also the quality of the project, the house. Like most of the properties in Dubai, I'm pretty sure you as well as our audience would be agreeing with that the construction quality and the architectural quality, like I think it's a very big issue in Dubai real estate currently.
Yeah, we are facing that issue.
A lot
Now,
of
when the
people have.
projects are handing over, we are not getting what we sold, and the clients are asking. This is actually a major problem.
Yes. We see ceiling leakage, we see so many issues that's
Yeah.
coming. So, to give you a background check, most of the COOs and the CEO of Leo Development are basically from architectural and construction background.
Oh, fantastic.
So the most important thing that we look forward with is construction quality. And with that, of course, we have a smart home because we are UK based company.
It has
So
to be.
it has to be. So whether you call to be a home or to your washroom or to your bathroom, everything is smart.
So much Leo's development is offering, and I really want my audience to know that what Leos are and what Leos development are offering. Apart from, of course, the best of the best quality and best of the payment plan. As you have not discussed with the payment plans, usually there used to be the post handover payment plan. Nowadays, not everybody is giving a post handover payment plan, but like we were discussing about it. I want my audience to know what kind of post handover payment plans Leos are still with the quality, with the best of the best location.
So we have different types of payment plan. As you see in this competitive market right now, there are most of the developers who are giving during construction and on handover payment plan, and then there are other competitors who are giving post handover. So we came up with an idea for our investors as well as for the end users who like they can choose whatever they want basically. So we have 50-50 payment plan, that is 50 during construction and 50 on handover. Then we have 60 and 40% payment plan, that is 60 during construction and 42 years post handover. And then we have 65-35 payment plan, which I think it's pretty obvious that 65 is during construction and 35 is supposed to be for 3 years post handover.
Fantastic. So much to know about Leo's development, and thank you so much, Mera. And I hope my audience will know that what and why they should choose Leo's development. Also, to know what they have delivered, they have a recently delivered project named as Headley Heights 1, which is in JVC. She's giving an opportunity for my audience to actually go and see what exactly they are giving. Not a show apartment, it's a proper apartment we can use to see what exactly we're getting. Thank you. Thank you, Mera.
Thank you so much, Anand, for having me again. It was lovely sitting with you and talking to your audience and letting them know about the new opportunities.
Thank you.
Thank you.